Right, here we go then with another one in Gloucestershire, and we're on May Hill today. Let's give it a go. Oh, a bit overgrown. Ooh. Yeah, so May Hill today spans into Gloucestershire and Herefordshire, and it's 971 feet. Circular route today, so nice weather as well. Should be a good one. So this is the May Hill Circular today, and May Hill mainly consists of sandstone and siltstone rock, formed around 440 million years ago. Got a bit of a scent there. A lot of forest on this route, to be honest. Makes a change. But here on the May Day dawn every year, there's a Morris dancing event now on the summit of May Hill. It's been going on for centuries apparently, and there used to be like mock battles in the past. All happens on the summit of May Hill on May Day dawn. So if you ever fancy that, make your way to the summit of May Hill for May Day dawn. Yeah, sweating a bit. Not really come across anything like this before. It's basically an ascent through the forest. So something different for sure. So here we go, approaching the summit now. Pretty unusual to see this, to be honest. It's a set of 99 pine trees on the summit here. And that's the standout feature when you're looking at it from below. Seeing all those trees. Pretty cool. So in the far distance there, and just about make it out, that's Lord Hereford's knob. That's one I want to do in the future, that hopefully this year. Yep, Lord Hereford's knob. And you can just make out the River Severn as well in the distance, which flows into the Bristol Channel. And then also in the far distance there's the highest point in Gloucestershire and the Cotswolds, which is Cleeve Hill. There you go then, all done with another one. That's May Hill. Peace. You can see the remnants of an old Iron Age hill fort there. See it looping all round the ditch. Yeah, so just descending now. Cracking little summit that. It's a glorious day. Got a bit of drone footage, quite a bit. Had some wind warnings, but hung in there and got some good footage from that. And in 1977 I planted a load more pine trees up at the summit to commemorate the QEII Silver Jubilee. So she's been in power 25 years then, I believe. The Silver Jubilee, 20 or 25. Yeah, so I planted a load more trees. There was a plaque, obviously you're seeing there, so yeah, really different summit. Cracking. Seven Mile. A lot of poetry apparently written about May Hill, especially by American poets such as Robert Frost. So goes to show, must be a bit of a special peak, mustn't it, for that. St John the Baptist. It's like the guy from Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels, doesn't it, for you? Ah, it's lovely and peaceful, that. And it's Father's Day today. 25 years since my dad passed away, so happy Father's Day, Dad. God bless you. Love you. So there you go, you just park outside Huntley Village Hall, and the bonus is it's free. That's it, then I'm all wrapped up with another one, guys. That was May Hill. Superb. See you next time. Peace. 8.5 mile. Nice. May Hill, I don't know who she is, but she's alright. Yep, Lord Hereford's knob. Mind doing that. That's what she said.